Ask yourself, where do I fit in? Do I like programming or do I not like programming? If you don't like programming, okay, let's say you are from an MBA background or you are from a CA background, or how can you come into, or from a BCom background, you will not be learning too much about coding, right? So how can you come into this domain? You can go to this section here called non-programming. So take these tools here. These are not kind of coding tools, but this will help you to come into data science domain. Like learn about statistics. That is, there is no escape from that. Should know about mathematics. For example, you can start from central tendencies, go to p-value, hypothesis testing, this ANOVA tables, and all kind of things you can learn. Maybe regressions also, time series forecasting. Right. Once you're very good in statistics, then use the tools like Excel, like SQL, like Power BI, Tableau, Alteryx to learn how can you implement this knowledge of your field in statistics or data processing or data mining in some in companies. Let's take you are from programming background, and you can start from the beginner setup here, like learn about machine learning, very basics, like learn about classification models, regression models, XGBoost algorithms, logistic regressions, linear regressions. So cover the basic machine learning you want to learn, and learn about basic Excel techniques. How can you work with data merging or data modeling in Excel itself? And this will give you a very solid platform to understand how data works in a table. Then you can learn about SQL, where you can also understand how we can merge data in using a simple command, English based command in SQL. And then should be very good in Python. You can think like this: if data science is a kingdom, Python is a king. So you cannot avoid Python here. You can should be very master in Python and should be very proficient in Python, and should know that libraries like Pandas, NumPy, scikit-learn to be very good in Python also. Then have a knowledge about Power BI or Tableau. This is a setup in a beginner level. Now, the moment you are ready in a beginner level, don't jump guns very early, or don't jump too fast. Right, the moment you are very good in beginner level, then you can go towards advanced topics. For example, the moment you are good in scikit-learn machine learning, take up TensorFlow or take up NLP libraries, learn there. The moment you are good in Python, explore PySpark. If you're good in all these things, go for a cloud like Azure. Then have a good hands-on grip on Git and Docker, also model monitoring and deployment. So this way you can exclusively fit yourself in non-programming or programming setup.